is my flip through of my journal with the Sovereign Dreams, and I worked with the Alchemist, I think that's how you pronounce it, pieces of it. I think I use some from a lot of different kits. I will try to list them below this video so that you guys can know what to look for. But I added a couple of the things that we did for our challenges, so it dangles, and then I just made our cardboard cover, and then I added stickles all throughout, so I think you can kind of see her shimmer and shine. And I loved the little words and sentiments that Rose made this month, and so these I just cut up from the different pieces and put on here. And added some little curtains here. I got that from Tracy in one of her videos that she put out. I thought that was such a cute idea. I'd never thought of that before. So just a little card here, one here. I did leave writing space. I'm trying to work on that. Used to, I filled up every page and there wasn't any place for anyone to write. My tags and my journal cards always have a spot on the back. I always line the back of them with paper that can be written on for the most part. So these are just beautiful pages. And this was one of her little pockets. And then I added the little girl space to the back. And then a flip flip, waterfall flip. And then each one of these has a little pocket with a little journaling spot on it. I don't know what you could write on that, but if you wanted to write something, it's covered. This one has a hidden paper clip holding in this. Has a little flip up, we'll pull out. Then a flip here, as you can see. And then I have some more little pockets in the side tucks. Then I have a flip up here. See if you can see, with another hidden paper clip, just kind of holding that tag in. Then we have little tags here, using some of her fussy cuts and some of the bottles. Tag here. This has a little bead here for embellishment. Then just some little clusters on the pages. And then this was from my challenge for last month, at the beginning of the month for September. With some tags, a few more little tags inside. Then some more shimmer. I don't know if you can see the shimmer on all of that gold stuff. I just couldn't resist. I'm on a stickling, however you say that word, kick right now. Then the pretty little girl, I added gold to her jewelry. An envelope with just a little flip out notebook, more stickles. This is a belly band that this will tuck behind and over the top. More little cards here, and then the little girls, as you can see, I stickled them too. There's shine and glitter all throughout this. Usually I only do that on butterflies, but this had such beautiful graphics, and I just thought it kind of enhanced all of them. And then the second signature starts with an over the page envelope that I used a little Velcro to hold it down. And then a little tag inside. Then another flip out. So this one, the handle moves up and you have flips here, and it says evolve, and if you, oops, just stuck that on there. It has a picture of somebody young and somebody older, and the same way here. so just kind of on our journey through life, I think that this kind of speaks to that, this kit. I love the fact that Rose added graphics of people that are not 20 and 18. I like the idea that it actually speaks to some of us that are maybe just a little bit older and wiser in our years and that have lived over a little bit. Okay, and then she has the little purses. And then I added the brush and the mirror on behind this. Some more little fussy cuts. Another flip out envelope with writing pages here. Like a little side tuck with tags. Then just journaling cards here behind the potion bottles. And this cute little piece of ephemera that she had made. And it has tags here. And all of those have glitter on them also. Then a couple of double stacked pockets with tags in them. Another flip out. And this little card that I made so that you can see through the middle of this belly band and see the pretty flower in the inside. This was Sophie's challenge of the little notebook. I do have magnets in it, but I don't guess my magnets were strong enough, so I just attached it with a clip. It does stick to itself if you take it out, where it doesn't stick, go over the page here, but just when it's in the book, it doesn't want to stick. So a file folder, and another little envelope, another little tag inside of it. Another belly band with another journaling card. Then the beautiful image of the Alchemist. And she has a little more stickle on her. And then a couple more of the fussy cats. And then up here, this page does have a pocket here that I have lifted a little bit. And then I have the story of the Alchemist that I will be folding and putting in there. I just have to back the back of it, and I haven't done that yet. But thanks for taking a peek. I really enjoyed this kit. I'm going to make the artist one sometime this month that goes with it. And so you guys should take a peek in Rose's Etsy shop or her Ko-Fi and see if there's anything there that you love. These kits are so large and so expansive. There's something for everybody. Thanks for taking a peek.